नेक्स्ट है आपका जो द रिदम माइंड बॉडी हीलिंग सिस्टम इज द हार्ट ऑफ योर वर्क, राइट?
Yes, yes, yes.
So for the working mom, how you would you explain your, in simple words? And if you can share some stories for maybe women or like, anyone who, have a long time emotionals or physical pain, how they release without medications. So if you can little bit let us.
That's beautiful. I think rhythm is something which is like literally came from my heart. I would ओके, मैं सिंपल तरीके से सबसे पूछती हूँ, ईसीजी करवाई?
Yeah.
हाँ, सब करवाते हैं, राइट? सो ईसीजी में क्या होता है? जब आप ईसीजी कराते हैं तो क्या होता है? अगर सीधी लाइन आती है तो उसका मतलब क्या है?
Yeah, I always give that like, you're done.
Done, खत्म. It's finished, it's over. When it is like this, the waves, up and down, and that's how they say your heart is breathing well, your lungs are okay, you are absolutely fine. So this is the rhythm. So when we lose the rhythm, and the rhythm is always about the mind and the body, मेरी thought और मेरा एक्शन, मेरी थॉट, मेरी फीलिंग और मेरा एक्शन, ये तीन चीजें जब तक कनेक्टेड नहीं है तब तक रिदम नहीं आता, यू नो तो रिदम को लाने के लिए वो एक अवेयरनेस जगानी बहुत जरूरी है. Now how this rhythm is come as a word to me, it's not, see, uh, I was so much engrossed in my own world that I actually didn't know many things outside what is happening. So I remember my daughter delivered a baby boy and grandson, so वो मेरे पास आया. He was like few months old, and my daughter is very perfectionist girl, and she never used to leave her child, but she was supposed to go somewhere, and she gave me a one big, बड़ा funny सा incident सुना रही हूँ प्रीति. टाइम है, ये दूध पिला देना, ये कर देना, ये नहलाना, ये मसाज करनी है, ये उसका प्ले टाइम है, ये उसका राइम टाइम है. All that she has given me a list of it, and I was supposed to tick mark that list. I was supposed to do that.
Mhm.
Mind talks like that. And then I said, as like I was working with on myself, and when you start working consciously on yourself ना, तो सरेंडरिंग बड़ी इजी हो जाती है प्रीति. अदरवाइज
Yes.
ना सरेंडरिंग नहीं करते हम लोग, we don't surrender easily, but when you are conscious about it, when you are aware of certain things, when you are on a journey of self evolution कह लो, या self discovery कह लो, when you are on that journey ना, तो surrendering easy होती है. Then you
Mhm.
surrender.
Yeah.
Surrendering में ही अगला रास्ता समझ में आता है, otherwise next step you don't find, in that. So I was like a good student. As I said, I'm a good student. So like a good student, I was just doing it and picking mark, and things are happening. Then the rhyme time came, and this program, because I wanted to launch it, I wanted to launch my 40 days mandala program, and it was all ready. And that time the name was The Secrets of Accelerating Healing. But then, it was in my head कि नहीं यार, मुझे एक अपना मेथड खुद बनाना है. It was going in my head कि मुझे एक मेथड अपना खुद क्रिएट करना है. एंड दैट वाज लाइक इनटू माय थिंग, तो मैंने बन सकता है. एंड दैट थॉट केम जब रात को चला गया. मैं फटाफट अपना कॉपी पेंसिल लेके आई, एंड आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. आई वाज जस्ट separating R H I literally, and I said, oh my god, it is so beautiful. Now let me write a message. And I started writing a message. When I started writing a message, so in my message, when I was talking about it, it was coming again and again rhythm instead of
Mhm.
rhyme. So तो मैंने कहा कि yeah, that's a excellent thing. So now I would like to explain it to you what this rhythm means. So rhythm method is born such a beautiful way.